Hey there, welcome back to Sharp Skill. Today we are diving into another Elementor tutorial, and this one is all about making your website navigation super user friendly. We will be focusing on creating seamless jump to section feature using Elementor. So let's get started. Before we jump into this tutorial, let's quickly talk about why jump to section is a game changer for your website. It provides a smooth and engaging user experience, allowing visitors to navigate easily through different sections of your page. This is especially useful for long form content or one page websites. Let me show you a website. Suppose we have this cookcollective.com, and when we click here and then by clicking here we directly jump to this section. When we click here, so this link jump to this section. So how to do that? I have also created this website for my practice purpose, and I'm telling here so that I do not get a copyright claim. So that's the website that I make by getting inspired by Cook Collective website. So that's the website that I have created. Like when we click here, we go to this page, and my header is not showing because of this WordPress top bar. And let me show you how to do that. Alright, let's head over to the Elementor editor. If you have not already, make sure you have Elementor installed and activated on your WordPress site. Open the page you want to work on. Go to page. The first step is to identify the section you want to create anchors for. In Elementor, this is as easy as adding a new section. Each section will represent a different part of your page. So for that, I want that when I click here, so we jump to this section. For that, first of all, go to this section, go to the advanced and give it a ID, like you give it any name. So for that, I give it a name of who we are. And after that, now go to this navigation item here and go to the advanced tab. Sorry, not advanced, and add the link. First of all, give it a hash and then your ID name, and do the same for all of the section that you want to create anchors for. You can also do for the button, like when I click here, I think it's not a link but it is, and we jump to this section, and when I click here we jump into this section, this form section. So for that, if you want, when you click on button and you will jump to this section, for that, first of all, go to this section and give it a ID, and I already give it a ID of like book tour. And the next step, go to that button and in the link type hash and that target section ID link, and then it is done. And there you have it. You have just turned your website into a user-friendly, easy to navigate masterpiece with Elementor's jump to section feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and drop any question or comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.